Hi, I'm Kathie Hardy from Bellingham, Washington, and I'm excited to be presenting on 4 topics at the 2024 National Guild of Hypnotists Annual Convention in Marlborough, Massachusetts. I'll be talking about 6 figures in my 5th year on Zoom, how I did it. Come have a listen and I'll give you the laundry list of everything I did to make this happen. Some of my strategies may work for you. Take what you want and leave the rest. My second talk is hypnosis and the coming legalization of psychedelics, what hypnotists need to know. I'll be finished with my program at the Center for Psychedelic Training and Research at the California Institute for Integral Studies in San Francisco by the time we all meet in Marlborough. Clinical studies show psychedelic medicines hold tremendous potential for deep and lasting healing for millions of people who suffer from PTSD, anxiety, depression, and other problems. As hypnotists, we are already helping people with deep-seated struggles. Even without direct knowledge or training in psychedelic therapy, you already have important skills that can help prepare a client for a deep healing experience. And if you want to become more involved, I'll send you in the right direction. Third talk, insight stewardship, how to help clients lose 50 to 100 pounds. Quite by accident or serendipity, I became skilled at helping clients lose large amounts of weight and keep it off. One of the most important techniques I use is insight stewardship. What is insight stewardship? How can it help your weight loss clients? Come to this talk and find out. And sustained 90-pound weight loss how-to. 2 years later, Virginia runs a 5K. This is a follow-up to a case study I presented in 2022 titled Anatomy of a 90-Pound Weight Loss. Virginia lost 64 pounds with me and then went on to lose another 30 pounds of her own. She's kept it off for 2 years. She tells everyone she's never been happier, and the happiness is not from the weight loss, but from how she feels about herself inside. And if you want a preview, there are 2 videos on my website on the testimonial page, salishchypnosis.com. Virginia also jumped out of an airplane, went to Las Vegas by herself, ran a 5K, and she didn't walk. She's 73 years old, and now she's taking horseback riding lessons, a lifelong dream. You can help your clients have dream come true experiences too. I look forward to seeing you at the 2024 convention. Please say hi if you see me.